One big mistake that I see e-commerce businesses making is they don't want to email their list. And the reason why is because they're like, oh my gosh, like what if they unsubscribe? I don't want to bother them. Did you get in business to not make sales? Well, listen, yes, you are going to be emailing people and you are going to get unsubscribes, but that also makes your list tighter and more focused and more of a what we call warm email list of people that want to receive your messages. So I always encourage my clients, start emailing on a regular basis. And what I mean by a regular basis is once, maybe twice a week at a minimum. This way you are somewhat training your email list that you're going to be sending emails on a regular basis. So that's something that we always practice. Hey, listen, if you want help building an email list, if you want more tips like this, go ahead and grab a copy of our email list building playbook. It's a 100-page guide. It's the same guide that I give our private clients. Head on over to emaillistplaybook.com. You can grab a copy. You can go ahead and start implementing it.